Hi everyone, welcome back. It's day 3 of Puzzle Bee sample puzzles, and today we have a spot the difference puzzle. So this is one image maybe you would have needed to download at your end and then zoom in and check on the differences. So right now I have this image zoomed in. Let me quickly share my screen and get started here. Okay, here we go. So there was this puzzle called difference detector, and it was common for all 5 categories. So unlike all the other puzzles which were different for different categories, this one was common across all categories. So the reason for this is something which is all about, observation. So that is probably equally hard or equally easy for any age group. In fact, I may even say it's maybe easier for the younger age groups, perhaps. Okay, so that's the reason why this was common for all 5 categories. Now let's take a look at the image and see what these 4 differences were. Okay, so nothing intellectual in this puzzle, but it was purely about observation. So how minute differences can you spot and spot them quickly? Okay, so while this was just a sample puzzle, you could have taken as much time as you want, but what would you do if you get something like this in a timed exam? So that's what we want all of you to develop. So have this ability to spot differences. So observe very carefully. Now let me just scroll down and get the 2 images on the screen. Okay, so here we go. So there are these 2 images. There's a tree house and then some kids are playing around it. And all you had to do here was just check what 4 differences were there. So some of them I would say were fairly easy to spot, but a couple of them perhaps were not so easy. So nothing much that I can, explain here, because this question is not the kinds where, any explanation is required. It's purely about observation, as I mentioned. What would probably help in a puzzle like this is, if you can divide this image into multiple smaller parts and then focus on one part at a time. So let me just show, what I intended to say here. So probably you could do something like this. Okay, so break it down into multiple rows and columns. So something of this sort. Okay. So what I've actually done here is, there was this one big image. Now I have broken it down into 16 smaller images. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and similarly the ones here as well. So now what you can do is observe one block at a time. So this one clearly does not have any changes, because it was, it really had no part of the tree house or anything else there. Then maybe you can just check this. Now, since my lines here are not very well aligned, what you could actually do is, you don't really need to draw the lines every time, but just try to observe one part at a time. So maybe you can observe these flags, right? So right now I'll just quickly remove these lines, because they could actually distract us here. So what I intended to say was, have these mental lines drawn so that, you know what part you want to focus on. Okay, so let's focus on this part. So these flags, so I see yellow, orange, blue, red, white, yellow, orange. Yellow, orange, blue, red, white, yellow, orange, no difference. The big flag here is again same color. So I don't spot any difference here. So this part looks fine. Let's take a look at these flags. Yellow, orange, blue, red, white, yellow, orange. Okay, so looks like it's the same order. What do we have here? Yellow, orange, blue, but this is orange again. Okay, so see, this was red while this was orange. So this was one difference. And personally, I think this was the toughest one. Okay, so when we got this question created, I had the hardest time finding this particular difference. The other three, I could spot them a little earlier, but of course, this is something which is going to be different for everyone. Okay, so we have found out one difference. Now let's try to, look at all these kids one by one. What does this boy who's coming out of the window doing? He's got a white t-shirt, and I don't see any difference as such. Okay, he's not got any accessories. That's usually, one place where changes can be there. Let's look at this boy. light blue t-shirt, dark blue pant, light blue t-shirt, dark blue pant. Now here he does not have anything in his feet, but here he has, I don't know whether those are shoes or socks, but that is definitely one difference. Okay, so that's difference number 2. Then let's observe this girl. Pink frock, pink frock. Hairstyle looks the same, so nothing here. Then let's take a look at this girl. Pink shoes, pink shoes. The clothes look the same as well. Hair color is same, but then here she has a bow and here she has nothing. So that's difference number 3. Then let's take a look at this boy. Blue shirt or jacket, whatever it is, white shirt, yellow pants. Then he has blue shoes as well. Looks the same here. So probably nothing different in this boy. Then let's take a look at these flags again. Orange, yellow, white, red, blue, orange, yellow. Orange, yellow, white, blue, red, white, red, blue, yellow, or orange, yellow. So nothing different there as well. So far we have found 3. Let's take a look at the other kids perhaps. Black t-shirt, blue pant, red shoes, black t-shirt, blue pant, red shoes, nothing different there. We can look at these boards here. It's perhaps yellow, blue, red, yellow, blue. Yellow, blue, red, yellow, blue. Okay, so all 5 are in the same colors in both the images, so nothing different there. Then let's take a look at this girl. Maybe the ball is different. Let's take a look. It's yellow, yellow and red. The top is yellow. The parts are like, alternately yellow and red. So no difference there. Her hairband seems to be same as well. Okay, pink and blue frock, pink and blue frock. Okay, now here's the difference. Here she has blue shoes and here she has pink shoes. So that is difference number 4. Okay, so looks like we found out all the differences. We could probably just check, if there's any difference in these 2 boys as well, but I don't seem to find any difference. The clothes look the same. And, unlike girls, boys have an advantage. They don't really wear a lot of accessories, so you don't have to look as much in the images for the boys. Same, I think here. Same shoes, same t-shirt, same pant, everything is same. Okay, so those were the 4 differences that we wanted to find out, and nothing really much tricky in this question. But I have one question for all of you. Since we had, we have already had 3 days of sample puzzles being discussed here. My question to you is, have you spotted any pattern in the names of all the puzzles? Okay, so today the name is difference detector. Go back and take a look at the names for the sample puzzles you had on day 1, day 2. You can even check day 4 onwards. And let me know if you find any specific pattern in the names of all these puzzles. All right, so that's all we have for today. Let me stop sharing my screen. So we'll see you all tomorrow with the solutions for day 4 sample puzzles. If you have any other queries, do let us know. So as always, you can drop us a WhatsApp message at 8446980747. You can drop us an email at learn@logicology.in, or you can drop a comment here in this YouTube video as well. Okay. So, all right, then see you all in Puzzle Bee round 2. The registrations are starting soon. See you. Bye.